Eve 1974, the rest of Australia knew Cyclone Tracy was heading for Darwin. On Christmas Day, had gone, leaving 65 dead.
A bloody disaster, that's all it is. It's just, I mean, nobody, you could not describe in words to anybody, anywhere, that have to come and see it themselves.
Cyclone Tracy blew away a way of life.
I got my Christmas toy, I only got 3, and then I went back to my bedroom and...
Yeah, I was about 9 years old and I woke up, got out of the house and it was like a Hiroshima had hit.
We hardly need the old windscreen wipers now, but one of the most amazing things out here was driving through all these suburbs where you were quite convinced everyone had been killed. And there were little kids coming out from, literally from under the wreckage like little mice or cockroaches, grasping stuff that Santa had left them.
I've seen fire and I've seen